Yeah.
Don't hit the ball
like this.
Hold it up here to the ball. No, hold your left arm straight.
My left arm straight.
With all weight. Oh, no, you're bending your left arm. The whole time think in your head. Left arm, left. The left arm. Keep your arm straight like this.
I'm not gonna do that if I bring it back up here.
Because you're gonna.
From my whole body?
Yeah.
My whole body like this.
Oh.
All right, you keep that straight.
I'll get to this one.
Oh, hit me in the shin with it. Here. What about this?
Kids, get away.
Look, son, down here. Look. Look at this.
Happy Gilmore. We got Happy Gilmore over here.
How do you hold it?
Yep. Swing and a miss.
Yeah, you come over and do it. You gotta hold your hand out.
Yeah. You want to do that? You're straight. You're bending.
What's that, Happy Gilmore?
Look at that dude. You think you're better golf than I am?
First off,
Yeah.
put it up here on the ball.
Wait a minute, I need to practice.
I know, just put it up here on the ball. So you want to hit it to where you're underneath this ball so it get high.
So, but do your practice first.
No.
Hit the ground up there, so choke down on it. Like that. So you don't hit the ground.
Yeah.
Shoot up.
Yeah.
Keep that one arm straight. That arm there's gotta be straight.
Swing up on it like a bat. That was good if he did it. Yeah, that's gonna go 5 miles.
You don't even own it. What are you doing?
What do you mean?
Shoot up there and touch it. Swing it like a bat. Shoot up there and touch it. Now come back.
Ah, you went that way.
Here, put him another one on there.
Here.
Here, put him another one on there.
No.
Right here.
Let me try that.
No, you gotta hit it. You can't give up. You gotta hit it till you send it up there on top of the trees.
That's the paintball.
About 400 yards from here.
I ain't here. I can't do it. It hurts my back. I never thought it hurts the back of my arm.
Let me say it. There, I'm the only one that hit yet.
Let me
Here.
just try it one time.
Oh, me.
Okay. In your bag, it don't even fit my hand. You gotta hold it up here.
Who wants to choke up?
What's up now?
Charlie, you got something over your back. Thank you. Been changing oil.
Come here, bring the ball.
Officer, you know how to do this?
Not really.
Who?
Here, let me hit one.
You supposed to? No, it went up in the tree. I saw it.
No, but it looks like it's gonna get close. It wobbles. Nuh-uh.
Let me hit one. I'll show you how to do it.
Show us how to do it, Happy Gilmore. Oh, you can't just hammer. Here.
We just cooking out down here tonight, y'all.
What's that club? Who
I just stepped on it. Wear it out.
He's professional. Choke down on it, dude. He's a professional now. It looks like it. Your club's turned. See that? Turn like that.
Son, you look worse than I do. Just smack it. Hup. I heard it go through the trees over there.
It didn't go high like Matthews, though.
You don't want it to go high. You want it to travel. Yeah.